thought I must just show you this. Very interesting. So here we've got the first report of the Executive Committee. This is council meeting last month. So it's to approve 5 business plans. Okay. So it starts off there. Here it starts off. Okay. So there's appendices for the business plan. That's Appendix A, electricity and water and sanitation. So it goes through. I'm going to go through quickly here because there's a lot of pages. So as you go through it, you can see the appendices attached there to show the business plans. But however, when you get to page 172, if I'm not, scroll down. So the plans are there. Here we go. Plans are there. So there's Appendix B for the electricity. And then you carry on scrolling further. And there's Appendix C for the water and sanitation business investment plan. You can see here, we go back here, 162 of 382. But if I scroll down now, this is the plan. So it starts off nicely. It tells you the table of contents and everything in the plan, what. Carry on further, another page, carries on still with the table of contents. But now here, as you can see here, on page 13 of 182, on page 13, if I scroll to the next page, the rest of the pages are missing. So the plan is not attached, and it switches over to the next item on the agenda, carries on. Anyway, this was brought up, if I just close this here on the top, this was brought up in the Speakers Committee meeting before the time when I told them, hey, listen, half of the business plan is not there. And they said, no, they will sort it out. That's the Speakers and Committee meeting. Anyway, this went to Council. In Council, this was adopted. Minutes of Council. There's a page. As you can see, notice of the meeting. If I just scroll down, there we go. There's the plan now. So this is the report as we started off. This is now the minutes of the council meeting that was concluded on the water and sanitation plan. And here, if I scroll to the next page, we were the only party that abstained to this. You can see the pages there of the minutes of the council meeting. We were the only party that abstained to this. Now, if I take you to in the council, you can see there all the seats. The Freedom Front has got one seat in council. I'm the only councillor for the Freedom Front Plus. So now I ask you, who do you want to vote for? Who actually reads these things? This is this year so far, minutes of the meetings. So they just bunch these things together and hope it gets passed through without the people even reading it.